Good morning. I'm still doing the letters. Okay, someone had wrote to me actually from when I showed that I had put all my letters in here, or in here, like in all these little separate boxes. And they had said that they had put theirs in baggies and put them in a drawer. Now, I don't have a drawer for storage right now, but right now I do not really have a place for this. So here's what I'm thinking. I love the idea about putting them in baggies. So what I'm going to do is, now, you know, it's like this was pretty full before I added my daughters, which I could put them all in here, but they're still going to be in two containers. These two containers. So, and this one, you know, it's this deep. So I'm going to put them all in baggies. Like this one, this is probably fine the way it is. And this one has another batch to go with them. So I want everything that matches to be together. And so I'm thinking that there was one more, but maybe I stuck them all in here because I think one of them is partial. So I'm going to put them all in baggies. I have an assortment of like bigger bags like this. So I got this blue one, but I don't think I'll use the blue because I do want to be able to see them, because I do have this box that was on my shelf that I emptied the other day, and the things that were in them was like just a shallow amount of stuff, and it was like it was stuff that could actually be somewhere else. So I'm going to put all the letters in here, I believe. So that's my goal. So I'm going to, you know, I'm just trying to make room for anything I want to keep. So I'm going to put them all in bags as much as I can, and then I'll be back and show you how far I got. Okay, I was able to get rid of everything that was in here by putting it in bags and putting here, with the exception of, oh, and I got rid of everything that was in this as well, with the exception of this here. And just because they're so big, I don't want them to get bent. And then these ones also, they're real large, so, and I've had, you know, them bent in there before, so I'm not doing those. And some of these that are in here are actually some that I had die cut, but now I just don't die cut ahead. I just die cut my words that I want to have written in there. And some of these, you know, they're probably kind of fragile in here too, but so I don't want to get it any fuller than this. But I'm calling this my last chance box. If I don't get these used, they've got to go. Because I moved it, when I moved them into these two things, I used them pretty good. It's like something's moving around in there. What is it? I have no idea. Is it a piece I need or not? I don't think. Excuse me. Oh, it looks like it's a piece from in the middle of something, in the middle of a letter. So, I don't know. I was gonna say, do I need to put that on there? I don't think so. So, this already has a place because I have, I think I have 12 of these, 12 or 15, where they have different things in them. So I will be able to put those over there, and hopefully I'll be able to use them. And these will probably end up on that shelf. Maybe I can actually set them in front of these boxes. So, and these here, I actually have other metal and plastic letters in another box, but I'm kind of giving myself, if I haven't used any in a year, they just need to leave. So it's like, I'll probably just put these in here for now, because the ones in the other shaped ones too, they need to, or plastic and metals and stuff like that, they need to go too if I don't use them. So I'm glad to have them in here, and I need to remember that I have some already cut up, and I did save actually a piece of one of these that I cut just in case I needed to cut more in that color. I think it was this one here. So that is actually in my scraps, so if I need it. But I just need to use these, or use them or lose them. And I know you're the same way about some things, so I have that. And these here too, I just got those from my daughter. But again, they're, it's like I'll put them in my shaped, or the things that are other things like metals and plastic and leather and stuff like that. So, and I might be able to put this in there because I don't think it's a big container. So, or I don't think it's a full container, so maybe I can put that in there. And maybe I could actually get them into 2 boxes in that area. So I will actually think about that too. But it's nice to have them off my shelf where they were taking up room, because I need to have that space. And so now these are gone. They can be used for something else and hopefully not be taking up that same space. So thank you for joining me. Let me know if you've been doing any shuffling of things, or if you've been doing any purging. I really like to, it's pretty exciting when you actually get to take something out of your space. I'd rather use it, but if it gets to the point where you have to lose it, sometimes you just have to do that. So thank you for joining me. Have a wonderful and blessed day, and let me know if you've been doing any organizing as well. See you tomorrow. Bye-bye. Okay, I thought I'd show you where I'm putting the letters. These are some of the things I have supplies in, and like these are 3D embellishments. I'm trying to think what I moved, but here's where the letters are now. And like I have Christmas, I have one that has envelopes, doilies, journaling cards, so different things like that. My journaling cards probably need to be gone through too, and if I don't use them, lose them. So might be playing a game of use it or lose it. So I'll take you over to where the letters used to be. Okay, this is where this used to be, and it was either Sherry or Michelle that said she had hers in little baggies, I think. So I like that idea. So now I have that empty, and this is empty. So I do have this empty space. So maybe I can put something there. I'm just trying to scrunch stuff. There's stuff I just bought. And, they really need to go someplace else. So, yeah, I'm just trying to condense things. And I emptied that one shoebox because I hadn't been using that. So I am going to keep continuing. Now this is where I had moved some things there so I can put new binders there, or the binders that my daughter sent. Now these are some words that need to go someplace else, and then I have these embellishments I need to put someplace else. This is not where I'm going to put them, but I'm just going to show you that will look better. And these are some actual words, so I need to put them someplace else. But little by little, but I think I might take a break from organizing and just pick up and do some scrapbooking. And I had put this right here. This has those great big letters in it, so I'm going to leave that in front of that for now. I just can't reach it to there. So again, thanks for joining me, and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye-bye.